guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm red because I have a guest here and he keeps making me laugh. For those of you who don't watch my vlogs, this is my husband. Introduce yourself. I finally got him to do a video with me, so we're going to test out this E.L.F. Beauty magnetic mask that has been going around on Instagram. We're going to see what it does, how it feels, and we're just going to have fun today. So if you guys want to see me put the mask on him and him put the mask on me, then just go ahead and keep on watching. This is the E.L.F. Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask. I've never tried a magnetic mask. I'm sure you've never tried a magnetic mask.
No, sadly.
For the price, this packaging definitely feels good. This was $24.99. So basically you just put it on your face, you wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's supposed to do that with this little thing.
It's gonna peel off like that?
Yeah, like just like that. You don't even touch your face. Ooh. It smells like lemons, maybe? And
yeah, like yellow lemon, orange lemon peels.
There you go. Like zesty. So that's what the inside looks like for those of you who've never seen it. And now I'm gonna lather it all over his face. How's it feel? Cold?
Cool.
Yeah.
Fresh, yeah. So what's this supposed to do to my skin?
It's supposed to like detox your face. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth, makeup ready canvas.
It's starting to burn now.
Uh-oh. Let's check the time because it says 5 to 10 minutes, so 6:07 right now. Trying not to stab you with my nail. There. You have such a little forehead and I have a big ass forehead. He's complete. Don't get it in my eyes.
Alright.
Tables have turned. Okay, go ahead.
So just here and
Here. And those of you who like the show Friends will understand that reference.
Yeah, just a little
Here and here.
So, do I get to add a MUA to my name now?
No, you're not doing makeup.
Oh, in my book this is makeup.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, you can do another video with me, and you can do my makeup.
You already tricked me into this one.
So, back in March, we were supposed to do Husband Does My Makeup Challenge, and then I had people send questions. Do you want to answer some of those questions?
Oh. Sure.
Oh my gosh, this burns my skin. How are you, like, not freaking out?
It's warm.
I'm freaking out. This is really messy, by the way. But I mean, I don't know. Let's see what it does to our skin. I feel like my face is gonna be super red.
Oh, you were already prepared for this.
Yeah, well, because I remember I saved them. But I thought I had other ones. I don't know. So, 67% of the people on Twitter said husband does my makeup. And then we were gonna do, like, questions in there. So, number one, what is one thing you guys love about each other? You can go first.
Oh, they're not makeup questions?
No, they're just about us.
Oh. Your positive attitude.
Oh, thank you. I love how kind and sweet and caring you are. So don't look at me with your eyes because I know I'm going to cry. What is one thing you can't stand about each other? Mine would just be you don't put your socks in the hamper.
Huh. Okay. Oh, I got one. You can't Google.
I can't Google.
With
I can't. I try.
I'm like,
Google,
find the nearest
doesn't...
restaurant, babe, and it takes like 20 minutes. I'm like, okay, at this point I already got my phone, typed in 2 words, and there it is.
Just like when I looked up Walgreens at one time when we went out of town.
Yeah, that was good. We went out of town and we were looking for a local Walgreens. And we didn't know what city we were in, and she found one.
In like Texas.
And she called it, yeah, and they were in Texas.
Yeah.
And she like called to see if they had
And we
this
were
product.
literally going back and forth. It was really sad. What is your favorite dish that Alyssa cooks? So this one's for you.
Favorite dish?
You can't think of any.
No, it's not that. I'm just trying to... enchiladas.
Thank you. And then the last one says, what is the most memorable gift Julio has given you?
That's for you.
Memorable? He's pretty good at surprising me. One that sticks out would be when you got me the makeup brushes. Because he got me custom makeup brushes for Mother's Day 2 years ago. Like 2 years ago. He got my Instagram handle and my YouTube handle on the makeup brushes, and they were just custom. And it was something that I didn't even know you could do. So it was like nice that he took the time to find something like that. So that's one that stands out. But he's done so many awesome surprises.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so those were the questions. And we're going to come back in a little bit. We're going to wait a few minutes for this to finish drying, and then we're going to use this little magnetic thing and see if it's going to hurt. That's one thing I'm like scared.
I don't think it'll hurt.
No?
I think it's going to be messy.
Well, it comes with these. You're supposed to put it on it. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright.
Boom.
So here we go.
Let's do it.
I should have brought a little towel, huh? Let's use that. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh shit!
It works?
I can hear it. Oh my god. That's so cool. Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's cool. Hope you guys can see that okay. That is so cool! Oh my god. Does it feel like anything?
No.
And if you guys hear the kids, you guys already know the drill. So this is what came off of you so far. And I can feel it like getting towards you. Like the magnet goes onto you.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Kind of tickles.
Yeah. This is so cool. My turn.
Alrighty.
Oh. That's crazy. It feels like little ants. It tickles.
Mm-hmm. Those are tickled a little from you too.
Yeah.
Ah! Uh-oh. It's like the kids,
It's like Play-Doh mush.
that sand thingy that they used to, the magnetic
Oh,
sand.
the Connect sand or something like
Yeah.
that? Oh, it's on your shirt, babe.
Uh-oh.
Did it work?
No go.
No go. Okay. So if you guys want to see Julio in more videos, make sure you thumbs up. Yes. Thumbs up the video. Leave it in the comments.
You thumbs, no.
Don't just say thumbs
I
down,
know.
asshole.
I was
Jerk.
gonna, and then I was like, that's not nice.
No. Wait, you guys can go harass him on Instagram.
You guys could just be like, oh, that was cool. Like once every 5 years.
Maybe next video you can do my makeup.
Okay, that's the majority of it.
Okay. That's insane. Looks like a mushroom. That's so crazy. What if I went outside like this?
Looking good, boo.
I've gone out worse. I thought it was gonna burn, but it just felt really warm. So if you have sensitive skin, just beware. And if you have normal skin like him, you'll be fine. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we can get him to come back. Maybe.
We'll see.
We'll see. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, babe. Yeah, my face is not crazy red.
I'll take my foot rub down.
ready?
Sure.
This is so weird because I never film when you're here. Okay. Now you're gonna just make me blush.
I'm not here.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. But you are here. Okay, hold on. Compose myself.
This would be good for the bloopers.
I know, right? I should do bloopers for the first time. I know. I never do bloopers.
Yeah, you should do it for like an outro.
That'd be funny.
And then, yeah.
Okay.